the control that you feel that you can actually impact something into society, that you can do something that really matters and you can affect change. My name is Jasper van Weerd. I'm inventor, founder and CEO of LipoCoat, a biotech company that spun out of the University of Twente. A lot of people suffer from infections within the healthcare system. 5%, so 1 in 20 develops an infection. Half are caused by contaminated medical devices. And this is a problem that we feel we can solve with our technology.
Maybe you remember the spark behind starting this company. What was the initial motivation basically for jumping into this adventure?
The motivation was that we have identified a universal problem in general with medical devices. That the surface often causes problems for patients, and that drove us to develop a solution that can be used to improve patient comfort and most importantly patient safety.
How do you transition from this knowledge, science-based in the industry towards a more business-oriented world where you have startups, investors, sales and marketing?
That is extremely challenging. So I am a researcher by training, and I think one of the transitions you as a person has to go through, and you can only do that when you're surrounded by a great team of expert people, is to realize that technology, academic research does not mean it's a product. So a product is much more than just technology.
So you have been on the road for a while now as a company. What are the milestones you're proud of?
I think what we're most proud of is what we've achieved in general in such a short period of time. So we've been in operation for a bit more than 3 years. We've tested our product, we've developed a quality management system, set up manufacturing, assembled a great team of people that enabled us to achieve these milestones. But most importantly, we found customers that are very interested by our product, are excited by our product, and are ready to launch it into the market.
And do you enjoy being an entrepreneur? And if so, why?
I very much enjoy it. I could recommend everybody to at least try it at some point in their life, if possible. The freedom that you have, the control that you feel that you can actually impact something into society, that you can do something that really matters and you can affect change. And I think being an entrepreneur, having a startup company is the perfect vehicle to enable that.
We are now in the place where you can learn exactly that, Silicon Valley. What do you hope to take away? Do you have any idea of what do you want to take away here?
I think the key lesson I want to learn here is how we can eventually launch a product within a medical space in the US. So we've done a lot of work in Europe. We are well on the way in launching something in Europe, but the US has its own challenges, but also its own opportunities. And that's why I want to get a grasp on in terms of capital, in terms of regulatory, so how we could launch the product, and also the businesses which are around.